Ever used Google Maps and thought, how does it even know where I am? It's not magic, it's GIS.
So, what is GIS?
GIS stands for Geographic Information System. It is basically the tech behind smart maps. It lets us collect data tied to locations, analyze this data, and make awesome decisions. Cities use it to plan roads, scientists track climate change with it, and businesses use it to find the best store location. If you have ever used a weather app, or maybe called a ride, or tracked a package, then congrats, you've already benefited from GIS. So if you want to learn how to use GIS tools like a pro, then follow me and let's make maps that make a difference.